Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 20 plus 4 into 3 minus 5. Here to solve this, we are going to use BODMAS rule, that is brackets, operations, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So as per the hierarchy, first we are going to divide, that is 20 divided by 4 becomes 5. So 5 into 3 minus 5. Then we are going to multiply first. So 5 into 3 becomes 15. 15 minus 5 is nothing but 10. Therefore, the solution of 20 divided by 4 into 3 minus 5 is nothing but 10. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, we will meet in a new interesting video.